Did you know that one of the world's oldest spices, discovered in the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs, holds a powerful secret for your health? For thousands of years, people have treasured this tiny seed, not just for its flavor, but for its remarkable healing properties. Imagine a simple ingredient that has traveled through centuries, crossing continents and cultures, quietly making its way into kitchens and medicine cabinets around the world. Meet the humble coriander seed, a spice so unassuming you might overlook it in your pantry. Yet, this little seed has a story that stretches back to the dawn of civilization. While you may know coriander seeds as a tasty addition to curries, salsas, or pickles, their value goes far beyond the kitchen. Ancient healers and cooks alike recognize their unique ability to enhance both flavor and well-being. In fact, coriander seeds have been used in traditional medicine systems from Egypt to India, praised for their ability to soothe the body and mind. This tiny seed can help soothe digestion, support heart health, and even calm the nerves. Rich in antioxidants, coriander seeds may help your body fight cellular damage caused by everyday stress and pollution. They're also known to support healthy blood sugar levels and promote gentle detoxification, making them a true multitasker in the world of natural wellness. And the best part? You probably already have coriander seeds tucked away in your kitchen, waiting to be rediscovered. With just a pinch, you can unlock centuries of wisdom and bring a touch of ancient healing into your modern life. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating origins of coriander seeds, explore their impressive health properties, and share simple, practical ways to use them every day. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your wellness journey, these seeds offer something for everyone. No drastic changes are needed, just a willingness to embrace the power of what's already available to us. Sometimes the most profound health benefits come from the simplest sources. Let's explore together how these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your well-being, from supporting digestion to adding a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. So grab a cup of tea, maybe sprinkle in a few crushed coriander seeds, and join me as we dive into the world of this ancient, mighty seed. You might just discover a new favorite ally for your health and your kitchen. Coriander seeds are the dried fruit of the Coriandrum sativum plant, a delicate annual herb that's cultivated around the world. These tiny, round seeds are light brown and have a subtle, ridged texture, making them instantly recognizable to anyone familiar with spices. When you hold them in your hand, you might notice a faint, sweet aroma that hints at their complex flavor profile. Interestingly, coriander seeds and cilantro leaves both come from the same plant, but they offer completely different culinary experiences. The leafy greens, known as cilantro, are prized for their fresh, citrusy brightness, while the seeds bring a deeper, earthier note to dishes. While cilantro is bright and pungent, the seeds are warm, nutty, and citrusy. The contrast between the two is remarkable. Cilantro can dominate a dish with its sharpness, but coriander seeds add a gentle, aromatic warmth that lingers on the palate. Used for over 7,000 years, coriander seeds have been found in Egyptian tombs, a testament to their value in ancient times. Archaeologists have uncovered these seeds alongside other precious spices, suggesting they were treasured not just for flavor, but also for their preservative and medicinal properties. The ancient Greeks and Romans also prized coriander seeds, using them to season food, create perfumes, and even as a remedy for various ailments. In fact, coriander was considered a symbol of luxury and health, often reserved for the wealthy or for special occasions. Today, coriander seeds are a staple in kitchens across the globe. They're essential in Indian curries, where they provide a subtle sweetness and balance to spicy flavors. In Mexican cuisine, they're a key ingredient in rich, complex moles. European bakers sprinkle them on breads for a hint of citrus, while Middle Eastern cooks add them to stews for depth and aroma. Toasting or crushing the seeds releases their aromatic oils, transforming their flavor from citrusy to warm and nutty. This simple step can make a world of difference, intensifying the spice's fragrance and taste and adding a new dimension to your cooking. Whether you use them whole for a subtle crunch or grind them into a fine powder, coriander seeds add depth and complexity to countless dishes. Their versatility means they can be used in savory and sweet recipes alike, from hearty stews to delicate desserts. Their global popularity speaks to their versatility and unique taste. No matter where you travel, you're likely to find coriander seeds featured in local specialties, connecting cultures through a shared appreciation for this ancient spice. Simple preparation, like dry roasting, can elevate any meal, coaxing out hidden flavors and aromas. Even a pinch of freshly toasted coriander can transform a dish, making it more vibrant and memorable. This ancient spice is as relevant in modern kitchens as ever, bridging the gap between tradition and innovation, and proving that some flavors truly stand the test of time. Coriander seeds are renowned for supporting digestive health. Traditional remedies like coriander tea or water have been used for centuries to ease bloating and indigestion. Compounds like linalool and borneol help your liver and digestive enzymes work efficiently, reducing discomfort after meals. Instead of antacids, a cup of coriander tea can naturally relax digestive muscles and ease cramps. It's especially helpful for those with sensitive stomachs or conditions like IBS. Coriander seeds can also gently stimulate appetite and make food more appealing. They help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, supporting immunity and mood. By nurturing your digestion, coriander seeds lay the foundation for overall wellness. This simple spice is a true friend to your gut. Coriander seeds also support heart health. They help manage cholesterol by lowering LDL, bad, and potentially raising HDL, good, cholesterol. Their mild diuretic effect helps regulate blood pressure by flushing out excess sodium and water. Coriander's anticoagulant properties may reduce the risk of dangerous blood clots, promoting smoother blood flow. These combined effects make coriander seeds a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. When paired with balanced meals and an active lifestyle, they help protect your cardiovascular system. A small seed, big impact for your heart. Our bodies face constant attack from free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and contribute to aging and disease. Coriander seeds are packed with antioxidants, terpenes, flavonoids, and phenolic acids that neutralize these harmful molecules. Antioxidants act as your body's defense team, protecting cells from damage. This cellular protection slows aging and supports long-term health. Coriander's anti-inflammatory compounds, like quercetin, also help reduce pain and stiffness from inflammation. Including coriander seeds in your diet is an easy way to boost your antioxidant intake. Sprinkle them in soups, add to pickles, or brew a soothing tea. This proactive approach helps prevent cellular damage before it starts. Small changes, big benefits for your well-being. Stable blood sugar is vital for energy, mood, and long-term health. Coriander seeds have been used traditionally to help manage blood sugar, and research suggests they may stimulate insulin secretion. Certain compounds in coriander mimic insulin's action, supporting natural blood sugar control. They may also slow carbohydrate absorption, preventing spikes and crashes. Adding coriander seeds to meals is a simple, food-based way to support metabolic health. Try them in lentil dishes, stir-fries, or whole-grain breads. Food as gentle medicine, one seed at a time. Knowing the benefits is great, but using coriander seeds daily is where the magic happens. Start your morning with coriander water. Soak crushed seeds overnight, strain, and drink. Add ground coriander to scrambled eggs, oatmeal, or pancake batter for a warm, aromatic twist. At lunch or dinner, toast whole seeds in oil for soups, stews, or dals, or use ground coriander in spice rubs for meats or tofu. For snacks, toss roasted chickpeas or nuts with coriander and salt. Brew a cup of coriander tea in the evening for a soothing finish. Coriander's versatility makes it easy to add to any meal. Simple tweaks can transform your daily routine. Enjoy the flavor and the health boost. Today, let's discover how coriander can transform your everyday meals with a burst of flavor and a boost of wellness. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these simple recipes will help you make the most of this versatile spice. Begin your morning with a glass of coriander and lemon detox water. Simply crush a tablespoon of coriander seeds to release their aroma, Then add them to a pitcher of water, along with fresh lemon slices and a handful of mint leaves. Let it infuse for a few hours, and you'll have a refreshing, subtly spiced drink that hydrates and supports digestion. Sip it throughout the day for a gentle cleanse and a zesty pick-me-up. For a nourishing lunch, whip up a coriander-spiced lentil soup. Start by sautéing chopped onions in a little oil, then toast coriander and cumin seeds until fragrant. Add red lentils and vegetable broth, simmer until the lentils are tender, and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. This soup is hearty, comforting, and packed with protein and fiber. For dinner, try a simple yet flavorful main course. Coat chicken breasts or tofu pieces with ground coriander, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Arrange them on a baking tray, drizzle with olive oil, and bake until golden and cooked through. Finish with a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, tangy finish. Serve with roasted vegetables or a fresh salad for a balanced meal. As the evening winds down, soothe your senses with coriander and ginger tea. Simmer crushed coriander seeds and sliced fresh ginger in water for 10 minutes, then strain into your favorite mug. Add a spoonful of honey if you like it sweet. This calming tea is perfect for digestion and relaxation before bedtime. Each of these recipes is designed to be easy, delicious, and full of health benefits. Coriander not only adds depth to your dishes, but also brings antioxidants and essential nutrients to your table. From breakfast to dinner, coriander fits seamlessly into every meal, enhancing flavors and supporting your well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding coriander to your favorite salads, marinades, or even baked goods. Adjust the amount to suit your taste and discover new flavor combinations. With a little creativity, you'll find endless ways to enjoy coriander's unique taste and healthful properties. Let your kitchen become a place of exploration and joy. Embrace these simple recipes and enjoy the journey to better health, one coriander-infused meal at a time. Coriander seeds are a giant in natural wellness, soothing digestion, protecting your heart, fighting inflammation, and supporting blood sugar. Use the tips and recipes here as a starting point to get creative in your kitchen. Remember, this information is for education, not a substitute for medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Every small, mindful choice adds up to better health. Nature's pharmacy is in your spice rack. Explore, enjoy, and share your discoveries below.